Join me as I take on the challenge of creating the most jaw-dropping Easter table setting that will leave everyone in awe. Easter is just around the corner, and I know how much we all love to create a beautiful and festive atmosphere in our homes. A stunning Easter table setting can really make the holiday special, but sometimes it can be hard to know where to start. One of the biggest challenges people face when decorating for Easter is budget constraints. Let's face it, all those cute little bunnies and eggs can add up quickly. I've been there too, trying to create a beautiful table setting without breaking the bank. Another challenge is coming up with ideas. It's easy to get stuck in a rut and end up with the same old decorations year after year. I found that browsing through Pinterest or Instagram can be super helpful in getting inspiration. Lack of space can also be a challenge. Not everyone has a huge dining table or a spacious living room to fill with decorations. But don't worry, I've got some tips and tricks to help you make the most of the space you have. And then there's the fear of not being crafty enough. I totally get it, I'm not exactly the next Martha Stewart. But the good news is that you don't have to be a pro to create a beautiful Easter table setting. When it comes to creating a stunning Easter table setting, there are a few key elements to consider. The color scheme is a great place to start. Pastel colors are classic for Easter, but you can also experiment with bright and bold colors to match your personality. Floral arrangements are another important element. You can go for a traditional look with tulips or daffodils, or get creative with branches, berries, and other natural elements. I love using seasonal flowers to add a pop of color to the table. Themed decorations are also a must-have for Easter. From adorable bunny figurines to Easter egg decorations, there are so many fun and playful options to choose from. You can scatter them around the table or use them as a centerpiece. To add a personal touch, consider incorporating family heirlooms or special mementos into your table setting. This will make the setting feel more meaningful and unique to your family. Let's get started with our transformation. We have a simple table here, and I'm going to show you how to turn it into a breathtaking Easter setting. First, I'm going to start with a beautiful tablecloth. This will set the tone for the entire setting. I'm choosing a soft pastel pink color to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Next, I'm going to add some gorgeous floral arrangements. I'm using a mix of tulips and daffodils in pastel shades to add a pop of color to the table. To add some extra sparkle, I'm going to bring in some themed decorations. I'm using adorable bunny figurines and Easter egg decorations to create a playful and festive atmosphere. As you can see, our table is transforming into a stunning Easter setting. The before and after shots are amazing. I'm so excited to share this with you. To recap, the key to creating an impressive Easter table setting is to have fun and be creative. Don't be afraid to experiment with different colors, floral arrangements, and decorations. And most importantly, add personal touches that make the setting special to you. If you have any favorite Easter table setting ideas, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. And if you're looking for more decoration inspiration, be sure to check out my other videos.
Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.